Welcome to the full demonstration of the KPI Analyzer, your intelligent app for unlocking hidden value in your SAP system. In this demo, you'll see how leading organizations are using the KPI Analyzer to modernize faster, clean up technical debt, reduce transformation risks, and confidently prepare for S/4HANA. Whether you're a CIO, transformation lead, or SAP architect, this app gives you something you've always needed: fact-based clarity. The KPI Analyzer, developed by Trax, is a scalable SaaS platform that performs deep analysis of your SAP ERP system in hours, not months. It uncovers unused or obsolete custom code, benchmarked data across more than 2,000 systems in 15+ industries, system maturity and S/4HANA readiness, and usage patterns, inefficiencies, and risks, down to the T code and document level. All powered by user behavior mining and intelligent automation. Here's what the executive sees first: the maturity dashboard. Think of this as your SAP modernization report card. Right at the top, you'll see where you rank on the modernization pyramid, from at risk to innovative, your degree of standardization versus custom code, and the amount of unlogged or unused custom code, also known as technical debt. In our sample client, only 56.3% of transactions used standard code, and nearly 78% of custom code hadn't been touched in months. The system has over 7,500 users, 4 company codes, and is currently running ECC 6.0. The KPI Analyzer breaks down your system maturity into 5 levels. Level 1, at risk. There's outdated code, poor visibility, and minimal governance. Level 2, static. The system is functional, but not transformation ready. Level 3, improvable. It's ready for in-memory, mobile, and cloud computing. Level 4, future-oriented. You're aligned with SAP S/4HANA standards. And Level 5, innovative. The system is leading edge, clean core, and agile. It's not just a score, it's a strategic lens to plan your modernization roadmap. Next, we go into productivity analysis. Here's what we discovered. Out of thousands of available SAP standard features, only 7.2% were being used. And even though the client paid for a full SAP license, the actual functionality in use was well below the industry average. With benchmark comparisons across your sector, you'll see where you're outperforming your competition or where you're lagging behind. As you prepare for S/4HANA, it's critical to know which codes will be impacted, what will be upgraded, what won't be available, and what needs to be replaced. The KPI Analyzer highlights key business partner apps that can fill gaps where existing functionality is no longer available. That's where fit gap analysis comes in. In this example, 261 transactions will be impacted during the upgrade. The KPI Analyzer links these to the SAP simplification list, the Fiori app library, custom code dependencies, and actual usage data by user ID. It even lets you simulate new processes using Launchpad panels and shows alternative Fiori apps for critical transactions like VA02 and VA01. What sets the KPI Analyzer apart from other system analysis apps is how deep it goes. You can drill from a bird's eye view of your SAP system into region, department, user role, T code, and even document type. For instance, one T code, VA02, change sales order, was used nearly 600,000 times. But the corresponding VA01, create sales order, was only used 285,000 times. Why? It's likely that custom code was utilized as a shortcut instead of utilizing standard code functionality. By drilling down further, we can see the users of each T-code, which document types are being used, and how much of the standard code is being utilized versus custom code. From there, using the Fiori app library, a workaround can be created to minimize custom code usage and utilize the unused standard code to simplify the system. This kind of usage visibility and insight is where transformation starts. Custom code is one of the biggest costs and compliance risks in your ERP. This system in particular had 74.8% of all code marked as custom. 77.9% of that code was unused over a 90-day window. We classify code into 3 categories: frequently used, rarely used, and never used. Additionally, the KPI analyzer can identify creation date, last update, and documentation status. Undocumented or ancient code? It's either a legacy liability or an open door for internal threats. Now, let's talk speed and performance. The KPI analyzer tracks T-code response times in milliseconds, background jobs, over 96,000 in this case, system triggers, and time of day execution windows. In one example, the system ran jobs outside optimal windows, increasing load and slowing response times. With this insight, you can consolidate reports, reschedule nightly jobs, and improve overall system performance. Most tools and apps stop at the process level. The KPI analyzer goes deeper into actual T-codes and document types. On this system, here's what we found. 70% of document types were custom. Only 30% of document types were actively used, and standard SAP types, which include tax and compliance updates, were often ignored. You can drill down into accounting, logistics, invoicing, and purchasing to find out what's used, what's ignored, and what's adding unnecessary complexity into your SAP system. Let's talk about storage, license waste, and system quality. While storage may be cheap, bloat is not. The KPI analyzer flags missing documentation, deprecated or unsupported code, and users with high-cost licenses and low usage. Like John, for instance, who logged in once in 60 days and still held a full license. What if there are 200 users just like John? Now you're talking about a lot of wasted money. So, what did we learn today? Let's recap. With one scan, you'll know how much of your system is standard versus custom, what code and features are used and what's wasted, how you compare to 2,000 plus systems, where your risks are from security to performance, how to prepare for a clean core SAP S/4HANA upgrade, what to fix, what to replace, and what to ignore. And you'll get all of this in one day. No manual workshops, no guesswork, just facts. So, are you ready to stop guessing and start transforming? Get the clarity you need. Schedule your free KPI Analyzer scan today. Visit westtrax.com or scan the QR code now. Your SAP system already has the answers. We just help you find them.